Alright, everybody, welcome back to Otosan Chronicles with your boy Foxfire. A couple days ago I picked up the Akaso Brave 4 action camera. Let's see that, get a good look at that. Do a little unboxing, review. Here is the camera itself. Ooh, Akaso. Good look at that. Now, first things first, I'm going to be kind of comparing it to the Hero 5 and or Hero 6 because their specs are kind of similar. And we're outside, so we're going to kind of wrap this up quickly. The mosquitoes are eating me alive. First thing I'll touch on is the price. Hero 5, $299. Okay, it's not bad for a GoPro Hero. However, I didn't want to drop that much money, so I opted for the Akaso Brave 4 at $89.99. Now, for $89.99, I got a lot of similar specs, and in fact, a few specs that outdid the Hero 5. For instance, picture quality. With the Akaso, 20 megapixels. Hero 5, 12 megapixels. Which doesn't really make a whole lot of difference when you're actually taking the picture. However, when cropping them, when editing photos and videos or photos, it makes a big difference how many megapixels you have. They both shoot in 4K. The Hero 5 is actually 4K at 30 frames per second, whereas this Brave 4 is 4K at 24 frames per second. And this all comes listed on the box. Not a huge opponent for going over specs in the video. I just kind of want to touch base on the price, the efficiency. I got it Amazon Prime. Took 2 days to get here. The price, excellent price, $89. Let's move on to one of my favorite things about this camera. At $89.99, I got probably, I mean, if you buy GoPro accessories, GoPro brand accessories, this many, you're gonna spend, probably $100 plus. I mean, these batteries alone, 15, 20 bucks. There's a battery in the camera. Okay, let's see. Open that up. There's a battery in there, which I charged and installed. Battery charger. Does not come with a GoPro. Extra battery. It's 1050 milliamp battery. I think it is milliamps. Yeah, times 2, 1050 milliamps. Skeleton case with camera mounts, top and bottom. This is for your handlebars. Zip ties. Zip tie to anything you want to. Straps, Velcro straps, charging cable and data cable. You got 2 adhesive mounts and spare, I guess, the adhesive part. Here is a vented back door. Another thing, waterproof case. Unlike the Hero 5, this camera by itself is not waterproof. It has to be in the case to be waterproof, okay? Upside is, in the case, 98 feet waterproof. GoPro Hero 5, outside the case, it's like 30 feet waterproof. Remote actually does work straight out of the box. Taking pictures and videos, no problem. Outside of all the, I took a brief pause. Wife showed up a bug spray. Saved my life. Here are all the different little connectors. You can connect it and mount it to pretty much anything. Did come with this cleaning cloth. that's extra stuff. That's my stuff. Didn't come with a bag. That's a Oakley sunglass bag. We'll put that away. Okay, so outside of all those specs that you saw right here, all right, you can read those. I'll do that for a minute. All right, 20 megapixel through 10 megapixel pictures, super wide angle, 170 degrees, 2.4 gigahertz remote, 2-inch display, not touchscreen. It does have the 2-inch display on the back. All the mounts, the micro SD and USB inputs or input-output. Oh, it does have a image sensor, Sony image sensor, stabilizer, 4K video, 2 batteries, waterproof, and of course the back screen gives you all the settings and options in multiple languages. What else am I going to touch on? Okay, so after testing it, I did have a Hero 4, and I compared it to a friend of mine's Hero 6. In comparison, picture quality and video quality are very similar. The only difference that I noticed was between the Hero 4, the Hero 5, or sorry, the Hero 6, Hero 4, Hero 6, and this Akaso Brave 4 is the sound quality. And the sound quality is pretty much the same on the Akaso and the Hero 4. On the Hero 6, there's no comparison. Sound quality is extremely better than the Akaso Brave 4 and the Hero 4. Now, outside of the case, it's waterproof casing. Great sound quality. Very lifelike. I would definitely compare it to the Hero 6. In summation, this camera was worth every penny, and I would put it up against a GoPro any day of the week. I'd recommend it to everyone I know. Akaso Brave 4, $89.99. Mad accessories. User manual. Haven't done this yet, but a little bit of bribery. Survey, get you some goodies. Action camera remote, instructions as if you needed them. Just a red camera button and a gray video button. Easy peasy. You can talk to this thing to have it start recording or start shoot a picture. I have not set that up yet. I just saw the option this morning. Didn't even know they existed. I rarely ever read the instruction manual. I just kind of wing it. But it's there. I need to check a look at it. And that's going to do it for the Akaso Brave 4. Highly recommend action camera. And I apologize if I was out of frame. This will pretty much be the last video I do with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which is a perfect phone, but we won't get into that right now. That's for another time. Alright, stay frosty, and keep your eyes peeled for the next review or video in general. See you guys later.